Oh my gosh! Look at her. Her got tore up from the rain yesterday. This is my Jamaican Sorrel Plant. Oh my goodness. You guys, she has beautiful flowers coming. Her was very big and beautiful. I'm gonna have to just take these parts like right here off because it's not gonna do well. I'm gonna have to do some surgery on this girl. Oh my gosh. Such a disappointment. It's okay. She will bounce back though, because I'm gonna take care of it. You know, when it rains hard like that, you gotta be careful with these young, tender flowers. Yes, you do. But look at the sister. Her still doing good. Let me show you guys. Look at it. That's Sorrel. Ain't her pretty? I'm probably gonna end up taking these guys in the house because it's a tropical plant anyways. They'll probably do better in my grow tent. But look at it. They still coming. There's a whole bunch. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's getting chilly out here now. Who knows? This ain't no garden tour, but I told y'all you could still get some cucumbers. This is the lemon cucumber. Okay. You better go on, little cucumber plant. Got some peppers over here to harvest. And over here. Chow, chow, chow. Felicia, Felicia, Felicia. Artichoke. Okay, guys, gotta go. Peace. Gotta do a lot of work. Peace.